What's going on, YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys two common issues with the Audi B7s, B8, B9s, B4s, if they have a B4, that traditionally happens that can hinder the performance of your engine, that can cause fumes and smells, that can make you lose boost, and they're kind of hidden and a lot of people don't know about it. And I just want to share this video to give you guys a common knowledge so you can know what to do on your Audi. If you have any of these symptoms of your car running sluggish, fumes coming from the car, your boost isn't going the way it needs to be, your performance is dragging, you're having misfire. If you want to know what these two common issues are, watch this video from the beginning to end and you'll find out. All right, guys, so this is going to be the part right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's going to be right by the intake manifold. You guys that follow me know I got a custom intake manifold. I'm also doing some crazy things to the car as far as a build, big turbo project. But a lot of times when you may have, let's say, a gas fume in your car, let's say if you feel like your boost is not where it needs to be or your car is not performing properly, a lot of times this can be the culprit right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get between these lines. This is going to be your evap purge line. It's like a whole assembly. This part right over here. And so this is where the vapes from your actual low pressure fuel pump goes to. This is where your boost connects from your turbo. So this line right here, a lot of times over time, as you can see, this is an external clamp. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So this a lot of times can go bad. It's mechanically opened and then mechanically closed. So a lot of times when this goes bad, you can have issues as far as your car having like some gas fumes to it, or it not boosting properly. I remember one time I could not figure out where I had a boost leak from. My car, the torque just wasn't the way it used to be. It just wasn't performing to my standards. And Lord behold, I went ahead and I changed this part and my car felt like a new refined car. I mean, it was just insane how this little part right here literally helped my engine tremendously, and also got rid of that fume that I was smelling, as well as this helps to evap it back into your car from your actual low pressure fuel pump. So yeah, guys, this is the part that you just should look at. So remember, this is going to be your intake manifold. It's going to be a part right here, and that's going to be the purge line, and that's what you want to look at. Don't worry about this. This is actually my water methanol. If you guys are interested in that, you guys can definitely look at another video. Also, another part I wanted to show you guys while we're at it is right over here. This part right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. This part right here, you see this part on my car is actually torn, believe it or not. And I already have a new one that I have in place. But this part right here is going to be another part that tends to go out over time, just like you see right now. This tends to go out over time, and this is simply going to be another boost pressure area. And over time, it's a T, and I'm gonna put a part number on it. But over time, this part right here just tends to just wear out and get brittle. It's connected to your vacuum pump, and as you can see on mine right here, this is a prime example. I honestly, legitimately didn't even know I had this crack in my car. This is just to show you, this could definitely be an actual boost leak coming from this, and this was 100% boost leak. And these are those parts that we tend not to look at in our cars. And just over time with the heat, the aging of the car, and even in my B9 Q5, I had an issue with this where the parts just don't last forever. So these are going to be those parts that you just want to look out for in your car, just to ensure that's running the way it needs to be. So this one is going to be more close to the firewall, and I'm going to back out so you can kind of see it. So that's going to be the one that's going to be right under this part right here. and it's going to be like a little T. And I've replaced this before, so it's interesting to see that it's torn again. And this is just to show, and it's probably could have been because I've been going up and down with the turbo, you know, putting this turbo in, this big turbo in. But anyway, yeah, guys, just want to share this with you guys. So if you have some misfires, some boost leaks, or you have anything going on with your car and you're not sure about it, I'm here to help you guys. This is a platform for anyone with an Audi, anyone with a VW, or any car in general. I'm here to support, answer any questions I can. Thanks for watching and tuning in. Make sure you stay tuned for this big turbo project. I'm going to get ready to do a video on a big turbo project on everything you need and then the actual install. So thanks for watching. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace. All right, go ahead. It's like amazing. We definitely got, I want to do a video. I want to race the Model 3 performance, and then I want to see, once we get to a point, once I get my car finished, I'm just curious how it does when it sits. Choo, do, 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 choo, choo, choo. Pew, boo, 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 boo.